In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make th small in Canva SUPERSCRIPT. If you've ever typed something like 5th or 21st and wish the letters look neat and professional, you're in the right place. That small raised look is called SUPERSCRIPT, and Canva makes it quick to apply so your designs feel polished and easy to read. Start by opening your design in Canva. This can be any project, a poster, a social post, a presentation, or even a simple graphic. Once your design is open, add or select a text box. Type your text, for example, 5th. If the text is already there, just click into the text box to edit it. Next, highlight only the letters you want to make small. For 5th, drag your cursor over the th so it's selected while the number stays unselected. This tells Canva exactly which characters to format. Now look at the toolbar across the top of the editor. Find the advanced formatting icon. It looks like a capital T with a double-sided arrow. Click that icon, then click More Settings from the drop-down. In the panel that opens, go to Text Position and choose SUPERSCRIPT. You'll see the highlighted letters lift slightly above the baseline and shrink, giving you that clean superscript look that works great for ordinals like ST, ND, RD, and TH. If you prefer to work faster, there's a handy keyboard shortcut. After highlighting the letters, press Ctrl and the period key on Windows, or CMD and the period key on a Mac. That's the dot key right next to the comma on most keyboards. The shortcut toggles SUPERSCRIPT on and off, which is especially useful if you're formatting a lot of numbers and endings in one go. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.